Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all children? I am sure you all are safe at home with your families. I am back again with our next topic, that is number system, the continuation of the same topic which we did in our previous class. I hope you remember what are the things we discussed in our previous class. In number system we discussed international number system, and there we saw what are the places that we have in international number system, how we write the place value and how we read the numbers using commas. In today's class we are going to learn our second type of number system, that is Indian number system. Like the name itself tells us that it is Indian, that means it is used in India. This number system, the way we read the numbers in Indian number system, it is used in India. Since we are staying in India, we have to know how we read the numbers in India. Every time we are not going to go and visit the countries, right? Or we are not going to be on a world tour all the time. We are here, we are Indians, we have to stay in India. So let's see what are the terms or the places that we use in Indian number system. Okay. Same like we had discussed in international system, we have ones place, then we have tens, we have hundreds, then we had thousands, 10,000s, and then if you remember, the sixth place in international system was 100,000, but here we do not have 100,000, here we use the word lakhs. This is the difference. I hope you remember, I had told you in international system, the word if you see millions, that means it is international system. Same way if you see the word lakhs or 10 lakhs, that means we are using Indian number system. The first 5 places, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s, they are same both in Indian and international system. So if you are reading a 5-digit number, you will read it in the same manner, whether you are reading it Indian system or international system, it will be same. The change will start from the 6th place. In Indian system we have lakhs, and then in 7th place we have 10 lakhs. Okay. Now let us see how we use these places in our place value chart. We start a place value chart from ones place, that is from the right side. Ones, then tens, then we have hundreds, then we have thousands, then we have 10,000s. And what is the next place? We have lakhs. The chain starts here, right? Lakhs. This is the difference between Indian and international system. And then we have 10 lakhs. I hope you have got the picture of our place value chart. This is how we place the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Now let us write few digits over here and see how we read the number in Indian system. Okay. Do you remember when we were doing international system, we had grouped these digits, 3, then 3, and then we had billions, 1 digit, right? Same rule we are going to apply in Indian system also, but there is a small change in it. Okay. Now first 3 will be same like how we did in international system. Ones, tens and hundreds, we will group them as one group. Okay. So 3 digits, we will keep them together in one group. Then here you can see we have only 2 places, tens and thousands and 10,000s. Only 2 places or 2 digits we have. So we will group them here, these 2 together. Okay, there in international system we are grouping 3, but here we will group only 2 digits together. Okay, then we have the group of lakhs. Here again we have two digits, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So these two we will group together. Okay. So when we are reading, we have to keep in mind that we will read these 2 digits in this group, these 2 digits in this group, and then the 3-digit number as we had read in our previous international system. Okay. So let me start reading this number now. We start from the greatest place value, that is 10 lakhs. Okay. Now here, as I said, these 2 numbers we have to read together. So these 2 numbers together make 2 and 6 makes 26. 26 is in the group of lakhs. So we will read it as 26 lakhs. 26 is in the group of lakhs. So it is 26 lakhs. Fine. Okay. Then we move on to our next group. 8 and 2. 8 and 2 is 82. 82 is in which group? It is a group of thousands. So this we read it as 82,000. 26 lakhs, 82,000, and then these 3 digits, as we read a 3-digit number, same way we have to go 145. We will practice again. 26 lakhs, group of lakhs, 26 lakhs, 82,000, 145. Okay, let me write it for you. It is 26 lakhs, 82,000, 145. Okay. I hope you have understood how we read the number in Indian number system. Now let us look into the place values of these digits. Now same like in international system, ones the value will be just 1 1 1. So 5 ones, the place value will be 5. The place value of 4. I hope you remember I told you tens means groups of tens. So 4 groups of 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So 4 groups of 10. So total how much? 40. Okay. So this 4, the place value of this 4 will be 40. Okay. Then 100, 100, one group of 100. Okay, one group of 100. So the total number of things will be just 100. If we have 200, then 2 groups of 100. Depending upon the digit, the place value will change. Okay. Since we have 1 in hundreds place, the place value will be 100. Then next we have thousands. 2 groups of 1000. One group of 1000, the next group of, so there are 2 thousands. So 1000 plus 1000 makes 2000. Okay. The next place is 10,000. And we have 8 in 10,000's place. What does that mean? We have discussed this in our previous class, right? It is 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. Like that we have how many groups? 8 groups. So how much, what will be the total number? 80,000. So the place value of this 8 is actually 80,000. 80,000. Okay. Then next we have lakhs. 6 lakhs means one group of lakhs, the second group of lakhs, third group of lakhs. So total there are 6 groups of lakhs. So what will be the total number? 6 lakhs. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, like that we have 6 lakhs. Okay. So the place value of this 6 is 6 lakhs. Okay. Then last we have 2 in 10 lakhs place. 10 lakhs, one group of 10 lakhs, the other group of 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 2 groups of 10 lakhs will be total 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs together makes 20 lakhs. The place value will be 20 lakhs. Okay. So I hope you have got the idea how we write the place values. Now our last thing, in the last video we had seen how we put the commas when there is no places mentioned, how we know to read or how we have to read the numbers depending upon the comma. Same thing we are going to learn here also. Okay, for that I will take one example. Okay, I have written a 7-digit number here. No places are mentioned, but I should know, right, whether it is an Indian system or an international system. So what we do is, the same rule applies. How we have grouped the numbers depending upon the places, same way we should put the commas also. Okay. Now here first what we did, we took 3 places first, we grouped them together. Same thing we will do here. Ones, tens, hundreds, 3 and then we put a comma. Okay, then what was the next thing that we grouped? 2 digits, that was 1000 and 10,000, right? Same thing we will do here. We will take 8 and 6, that 1000 and 10,000 and we will put a comma. Okay, and then we had 2 digits in our next group of lakhs, that is lakhs and 10 lakhs. Same thing we are doing over here also. This is our group of lakhs. Okay, once you know how to group the numbers, the same way we have to put the commas. Be very careful, we start putting the commas from the right side. Okay, you should start from your right side. Ones, tens, hundreds, first 3 from right side, put a comma, then 2 and then we have 2. So let us try to do it with these numbers also. Okay, first 3 digits fine, then 4th digit we have 0, 0, 0 and then 2. First we put comma after 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds and then we put a comma. Okay. Again we do not have to put any comma over there because we have only 1 digit. Then in our next number, that is 80,000, we have 1, 2, 3 and then we will put a comma. Again we need not put a comma here because we do not have the next place or next digit. Fine. Okay. Then we come to this number. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000. We have 3 more digits over here. Here we will go for the second comma. Okay. So first after 3 and then after 2 places. Then here what will be the sequence? First 3, then after 2 and then we have 2 more. I hope you have understood how we read the numbers in Indian system. What are the places that we have in Indian system? What are the place values the digits will take when they are in these places? And how to use the commas. Now you can compare your Indian system and international system and figure out or find out what all differences were there between Indian system and international system. Till then, stay at home and be safe. Jazakallah khairan.